Hey everyone, let us check out these stunning Lush Decor Nerina light filtering window panels. These gorgeous cream curtains feature cascading layers of pleated sheer ruffles that add soft texture to any room. Crafted from durable polyester, they provide moderate privacy while letting a soft, natural glow fill your space. The convenient 3-inch rod pocket makes installation a breeze on your favorite curtain rod. Maintenance is simple with a quick machine wash on the gentle cycle and low tumble dry. Transform your bedroom or living room with these charming coquette-inspired drapes today. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.